This building behind me is already 80% sold. 43 units launched in January, there are only 9 left. I am standing in front of 127 Kent Avenue, which is the 6th, a new condo development in North Williamsburg. Williamsburg, Brooklyn has no shortage of luxury condominium buildings. Over the last decade, we have seen dozens of sleek glass towers rise along the waterfront, each offering impressive amenities and beautiful views. But every now and then, a building takes a completely different approach. Enter the 6th. The 6th at 127 Kent Avenue is a boutique condominium that blends modern construction with character and warmth. From the architecture and interior finishes to its unique location just moments from Domino Park and the East River, this building has a presence all of its own. One of the first things you'll notice is that 127 Kent doesn't try to compete with the surrounding glass towers. Instead, it embraces Williamsburg's industrial roots. You'll see that the handcrafted brick facade, oversized steel casement windows, and classic proportions give the building a timeless character that feels authentic to the neighborhood rather than trendy. It's modern, but with a warmth that's becoming increasingly rare in new construction. Walking inside, that same design philosophy continues. The lobby feels more like an entrance to a boutique hotel than a typical condominium building. Rich wood finishes, natural stone, warm lighting, and carefully selected metal accents create an inviting atmosphere before you ever reach your apartment. Stepping inside the apartments, the first thing that stands out isn't a specific finish. It's the sense of volume. Ceiling heights range from approximately 10 to 12 feet. It's immediately apparent that these homes were designed with proportion in mind. As you continue through the home, it's the small details that begin to separate this building from other homes on the market. You'll find oversized doors, custom lighting, millwork, and brass hardware that will naturally develop character over time. The custom closets are fully built out, providing ample storage. The kitchen is clearly designed for someone who really enjoys cooking and entertaining. Professional-grade Thermador appliances, a vented gas range beneath a striking brass hood, and fully paneled refrigeration and dishwasher systems complete a kitchen that's as functional as it is beautiful. A massive center island anchors the space, while custom walnut cabinetry provides an incredible amount of storage. Reeded glass cabinet doors add texture without overwhelming the design. Many apartments come with outdoor space. This is Penthouse 1A and has a private outdoor terrace, fitted with a barbecue and gorgeous views of the Manhattan skyline. A perfect place for a summer evening dinner. The bathrooms continue the same timeless aesthetic. Natural stone, walnut vanities, and waterworks brass fixtures create a refined, elegant space. Large frameless glass showers, and in select residences, deep soaking bathtubs. Even the secondary bathrooms receive the same level of attention, with beautiful Italian tile and generous storage. Sitting a little over 80% sold, the last remaining units range from $1.75 million for a duplex studio with a southern-facing private roof terrace capturing the Domino skyline and also fitted with a barbecue, several two-bed units ranging from $2.35 million up to $3 million, and of course the last remaining 3-bed penthouse, and that's priced at $5.995 million. For a boutique building, the amenity package is thoughtfully designed. The second floor is filled with natural light and includes a spacious co-working lounge that's ideal for anyone working remotely, along with an outdoor terrace that offers a quiet place to relax. There's also a beautifully equipped fitness center with free weights, machines, cardio, and across the hall a whimsical children's playroom, giving residents practical spaces they'll enjoy using every day.
So you have the bike room, every unit comes with storage, and then the catwalk, where they are super adorable, convenient as well.
Each unit comes with a storage unit?
Absolutely. Get a storage cage nice and tall.
Of course, one of the biggest advantages of the Sixth is the location. You're just steps away from the East River waterfront, incredible restaurants, cafes, shopping, and very close to some of Williamsburg's best public spaces, including Domino Park, which is a few blocks down, Bushwick Inlet Park, which is across the street, and McCarran Park, also a few blocks away. The NYC Ferry is located at the end of North 6th Street. The Bedford Avenue L train is within walking distance. It's a location that offers both convenience and a true neighborhood feel. So, if your style leans more towards timeless craftsmanship than the ultra-modern glass towers, then this building is definitely worth seeing in person. Well, I hope you enjoyed touring this building. Its popularity is driven by location. It stands on the corner of North 6th Street and Kent Avenue, which is the most popular part of North Williamsburg. And that popularity is what attracted thousands of buyers to Williamsburg over the past 2 decades. Do you have any interests or questions about Williamsburg, Brooklyn, or what it's like living here on the waterfront? Please reach out to me directly. I'm Ralph, and this is Brooklyn Waterfront Living. I'll see you on the next one.